Welcome to your Big Fig mattress unboxing and setup guide. In just a few simple steps, we'll walk you through how to properly set up your new mattress so you can start enjoying the support and comfort Big Fig is known for. Step 1. Assemble the foundation. Before unboxing your mattress, assemble your Big Fig foundation first. Step 2. Move the box. The box is heavy, so we recommend having 2 people handle it. Move the shipping box to the location where your mattress will be placed. Step 3. Slide the mattress out. Lay the box on its side and carefully slide the mattress out. Lift from the bottom of the box to help guide it out. Step 4. Remove the outer plastic layer. Unwrap the first layer of stretch film. Do not cut this plastic, as you may damage the mattress. Step 5. Unfold and position. Begin to unfold your mattress without removing the second layer of plastic. Once it's unfolded, position it squarely on your foundation. Step 6. Cut the inner plastic layer. Carefully cut the second plastic layer using the tool provided. As you cut around the mattress, it will quickly expand to full size. Pull the plastic out from underneath the mattress once fully removed. Once unwrapped, wait at least 30 minutes before lying on your mattress. While it will expand quickly, full expansion continues over the next 24 to 48 hours.